Hello, hi. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about quadratic equation. First, what is quadratic equation? Let us understand the meaning of quadratic equation. The highest degree polynomial is 2. We'll call it as quadratic equation. Highest degree is 2. Therefore, for example, x square minus 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. This is where highest degree is 2. We will call it as quadratic equation. Okay. Therefore, if x cube minus 3x is equals to 0, x power 4 minus 3x is equals to 0, x power 5 minus 2x is equals to 0. This all not come under quadratic equation. These are cubic, fourth, fifth root of equations. Okay, this will not come under quadratic equation. Remember this. Okay, what is the standard form of quadratic equation? Okay, standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. In this, if we want to find the value of x, and then we have to substitute the value of x, then the equation becomes 0. Then only we'll call it as quadratic equation. Okay, if it is not equals to 0, it comes under linear equations like that. Okay, remember that point. It determines roots of the equation and nature of the roots. What is nature of roots? In this, for solving quadratic equation, first there are two methods. One is factorization, another is by using formula method. Okay, first method. Now factorization method. Okay, we solve by using factors. Okay, for example, 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. By using factors means 3 to just 6. Here 6x square. This wants to be equal. So 2 3 minus 2 minus 3. If we add this, we'll get 5. So 2x square minus 2x, 3x plus 3 is equals to 0. 2x will be common, x minus 1 minus 3 of x minus 1, where minus minus becomes plus. This is equals to 0. Therefore, x minus 1 is common. 2x minus 3 of x minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. X minus 1 is equals to 0. 2x is equals to 3. X is equals to 1. Here, x is equals to 3 by 2. X is equals to 1. This is one method. Okay, we are finding the roots of the quadratic equation by factorization method. Formulates and solve the problems based on real life content. Okay, now nature of roots determines nature of roots using discriminant method, means formula. Discriminant method, by using formula we can know the nature of roots. Okay, here I will show you the formula now. This is second method actually. Okay, here discriminant is b square minus 4ac and the formula is minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. We can solve roots by using this formula also, or by using factorization method. Minus b plus or minus, this is called discriminant. B square minus 4ac is discriminant. Okay, if see d square, if it is 0 means discriminant is 0, real and equal roots. For example, 2, 3. If discriminant is greater than 0, real and indistinct. Indistinct means different roots will get, okay? 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, like this will get, okay? If less than 0, it is not real and will get complex roots like plus or minus root 3 I, plus or minus root 2 I, like this. If delta is 0, real and equal roots. If delta is greater than 0, real and indistinct roots. If delta is less than 0, complex roots. Complex means like this I. Remember this equation, we'll get x value, and if we substitute again this x in this, we will get equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0. A quadratic equation will show like this root, 2 roots, okay, minus 2 plus 2. X is visible, okay. In quadratic equation, a, b, c are constant values, and like 10 into 1, 10, and it is 2, 5 means 7. Therefore, x square plus 2x plus 5x plus 10 is equal to 0. X will take common, x plus 2 will get plus 5 will take x plus 2, where 5 2 is 10, okay. Here again x plus 2 is common, so x plus 2 will get x plus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 2 is equal to 0, x plus 5 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 5. This is one type of solving method. This problem we can solve same by using formula. See, I'll show you, okay. 2a. Here, a x square plus b x plus c is equal to 0, okay. A is 1, b is 7, c, okay. B is 7 whole square minus 4, a is 1, c is 10, okay, by 2 1, okay. See, minus 7 less or minus 49 minus 40, 14 by 2, minus 7 plus or minus 9 by 2, root of 9 is 3, okay. Root of 9 is 3, minus 7 plus or minus 3 by 2, minus 7 plus 3 by 2, one equation, minus 7 minus 3 by 2, another one. Here 3 minus 7, 4, minus is higher for minus 7, minus 7 minus 3 will add this, see, 10 by 2 means minus 2 minus 5. See, here previous also x plus 2 is equal to 0, x plus 5 is equal to 0, we have got same, x equals to minus 2, x equals to minus 5. By we can solve like that also, we can solve like this also, we will get same solution, okay. See, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. This is second. How we will solve this? Simple. 6x square plus, see, 2 3 is 6, minus into minus plus, okay, when multiplying, and here minus x square minus 2x minus 3x plus 6 is equal to 0. Minus minus we will get addition. So x of x minus 2 minus 3 of x minus 2 is equal to 0. X minus 2 is common. X minus 2 of x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2. X is equal to 3. Okay. This is one form. This is one. Here alpha beta x square plus, sorry, x square plus alpha plus beta x alpha beta. Alpha beta means here we will get 2, 3. See, 2 plus 3, alpha beta is 6. See, we can solve very easily. X square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. Where alpha 2 into 3 is 6. Alpha, this is beta. X square minus alpha plus beta, 2 plus 3. 2x plus 3x plus alpha, x square minus 2 plus 3 whole of x plus 2 into 3 is equal to 0. We can solve like this also. Okay. x square minus 2x minus into plus minus 3x plus 6 is equals to 0. X of x minus 2 minus 3 of x minus 2 is equals to 0. X minus 2 x minus 3 is equals to 0. See, same we will get. Okay, this formula you can remember where we can use for large numbers. Actually, this will work for large numbers like 117, 120, 130, like this. Okay, please like and subscribe to my channel to get more videos. Thank you. This is Shweta.